Good morning, students. Welcome in your mathematics class, session 12, surface area and volume. Now, started with exercise 13.7. Our first part. Find the volume of right circular cone. Radius is 6 centimeter. R is given 6 and height is 7 centimeter. We find out the volume of right circular cone. What is the volume of cone? That is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi 22 upon 7. R is 6 into 6. H is 7. 7 minus 7, 3 to the 44 into 6. 264 centimeter cube. This is your answer. Second part for homework. Now come on the first part. फाइंड द कैपेसिटी इन लीटर ऑफ कॉनिकल वेसल. वेसल कैसा है शेप का, कॉनिकल. उसका हमें क्या निकालना है, कैपेसिटी फाइंड करनी है लीटर्स में. रेडियस आर गिवन दैट इज 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड सलांट टाइप दैट इज 25 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द value of h. How we find the value of h? This is the formula to find the value of h. L square is equal to h square plus r square. L is 25, h is find out, r is 7 square. 625, h square 7 square 49. प्लस का कराइएगा किसका होगा, माइनस का. There is 576. The square root of 576 is 24. So we find the value of h. Now we find the work capacity of conical vessel. The shape of vessel is conical. That is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 y, pi is 22 upon 7, r that is 7 into 7, h is 24. 7 cancel, 3 8 ja 154 into 8 32 3 40 343 4 8 1 8 4 12. This is in meter cube. Now we change it in liter. 1000 meter cube is equal to 1000 लीटर. तो इसे हम 1000 से क्या कर देंगे, डिवाइड कर देंगे लीटर में चेंज करने के लिए. तो 1.232 लीटर. इज इट क्लियर माय डियर? So second question for homework, same as like this question. This is the first part, second part for homework. Now come on the third part. Third, the height of the cone. This is given height of cone, that is 15 centimeter, and the volume of cone. Volume of cone, that is 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius. R find करना है and pi's values is given here. There is 3.14. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to 1570. 1 upon 3 pi 3.14. R is find out and h is 15 is equal to 1570. Reverse it. 3 5 का काट दो. अब रिवर्स करो. That is 3.14 into 5. ये टर्मोमीटर पर 100. हाँ जी. 2 जा 1 जा 2 जा 2 5 जा 5 से 5 कैंसिल. तो r square is equal to 100. So r is equal to 10. The square root of 100 is 10. So radius is 10. Is it clear my dear? Radius is 10. So now next question. This is also important question. Like question number 3. Yeah, fourth question. Most important question for 2 marks. If the volume of the right circular cone of height 9 centimeter, again height is given 9 centimeter and volume of cone is also given, that is 48 pi centimeter cube. We find the diameter of its base. Diameter find करना है. First of all we find the radius. जैसे हमने एग्जांपल 3 में किया था, सेम टू सेम ऐसे इसमें करना है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 अपॉन 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर h इक्वल टू किसके है, 48 पाई. पाई से पाई कैंसिल. 1 अपॉन 3 r is find out, h is 9 is equal to 48. 3 3 जा अपॉन में ले लीजिए. 48 upon 3 3 16 ja. The square root of 16 that is 4. So radius is 4 and diameter is double of its radius. So 2 into double of r, 2 into r 4. Therefore diameter is 8 centimeter. Is it clear, my dear? So our next question, that is question number 5. What is question? Yes, a conical pit is of top diameter 3.5 मीटर. D दे रखा है, conical pit है, उसका diameter दे रखा है 3.5 मीटर and height is 12 मीटर. D means height. What is the capacity in kiloliter? We change it kiloliter. Is it clear? First of all, we find the volume of conical pit, यानी गड्ढा. Radius is 3.5 upon 2. इसे as it is ध्यान दीजिए, डिवाइड मत करिए, वो कट जाएगा आगे आपका. Volume of conical pit, that is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi 22 upon 7 r. 3.5 upon 2, 3.5 upon 2 into h. This is in meter. This is in meter. Radius are in meter. Into 12. 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 7 5 ja, 3 2 3 cancel. 22 5 ja 110, यानी 11 आ गया 3.5. Now multiply it. 11 5 ja 55, 11 3 ja 33 और 3 8.5 in meter cube. Now we change it kiloliter. बेटे याद रखना 1 किलोलीटर इक्वल टू 1 मीटर क्यूब. 1 मीटर क्यूब और 1 किलोलीटर सेम होते हैं. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 8 by 1 in change to kiloliter. So multiply it 38.5 kiloliter. Is it clear, my dear? ये ध्यान रखना, अपने 1 मीटर क्यूब 1 किलोलीटर के इक्वल होता है. सो जो आंसर आएगा बस उसे 1 से क्या कर देना, मल्टीप्लाई कर देना. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज 6th क्वेश्चन. What is our 6th question? Yes. The volume of a right circular cone. Volume given है. Volume of cone. That is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base of radius, this is given diameter 28 centimeter. So radius is 14 centimeter. So we find the height of the cone. हमें height find करनी है cone की. अब रेडियस दे रखा है, हाइट फाइंड करनी. पिछले दोनों क्वेश्चनों में हमें क्या दे रखा था, हाइट दे रखी थी, रेडियस फाइंड करना था. अब हमें हाइट रेडियस फाइंड दे रखा है, हाइट फाइंड करनी है. सो कम ऑन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कॉन 9856 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi 22 upon 7 r. 14 into 14. We find the h. Now solve it. 7 2 ja, reverse it. 9856 into 3 upon 22 into 2 into 14. Now solve it. 11 8 ja 88, 10 बचेगा. 11 9 ja 99, 6 बचेगा. 11 6 ja 11 2 ja 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 2 8 ja again 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 2 7 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 7 1 ja 7 और 4 7 6 ja 16 2 ja 48. So height is 48 centimeter. First part हो गया इसका. Now in second part we find the slant height of the cone. Slant, how we find the slant height of the cone? That is L by this formula, h square plus r square. What is h? 48 square. R is 14 square. 48 square. 48 48 multiplied 4 6 32 38 3 16 90 4 10 10 13 1 2 3 0 4 14 196 plus it 2500. So square root of this is 50 centimeter. So L is 50 centimeter. Now cut surface area of this cone. इस cone का मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? Cut surface area. The cut surface area of cone is, the formula of find the cut surface area of cone is pi r L. Pi 22 upon 7 r. What is r? 14. L is 50. 7 2 ja 22 into 100 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2200 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Is it clear, my dear? So the formula of to find the cut surface area is pi r l. Is it clear? So in next session we discuss the further questions 7, 8, 9 and example 16. Till then, thank you very much, my dear.